Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So here in this video I am going to do unboxing of question bank from Oswaal books. So basically I bought two books, one is social science and another one mathematics. I bought these two books from Flipkart. So if you also want to buy these two books, then you can buy it, link is given in the description box. But if in case you can't buy, then don't worry, I will share all the question and answer, mind maps and other things given in the books with you in the channel. So just do one thing, subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.